Weddings are magical, and nighttime weddings, even more so. The soft glow of fairy lights, the dance floor sparkling under the disco ball. It's all about embracing the enchantment of the night. Your makeup should be just as captivating. Nighttime lighting is different from daylight. It can wash you out if you're not careful. That's why we need to amp up the glam with a makeup look designed to make you shine under the stars. Think of your face as a canvas. Before we start painting, we need to prep it. This step is crucial for a smooth and long-lasting makeup application. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any impurities. Follow with a mild exfoliator to slough away dead skin cells, revealing a brighter complexion. Next, tone your skin to balance its pH levels and tighten pores. Now it's time to hydrate. Apply a moisturizer suited for your skin type. This will plump up your skin and create a smooth surface for makeup. Finish your prep routine with a primer. A primer acts as a barrier between your skin and makeup, preventing it from sinking into pores and ensuring it lasts all night long. With a prepped and primed canvas, we can now move on to creating a flawless base. This step is all about evening out your skin tone and creating a radiant complexion. Start by applying a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly. Blend it well using a brush, sponge, or your fingertips for an airbrushed finish. Next, conceal any imperfections like dark circles, blemishes, or redness with a concealer. Choose a concealer one shade lighter than your foundation for a brightening effect. Dab it gently onto the areas you want to conceal and blend seamlessly. To set your foundation and concealer in place, lightly dust a translucent powder all over your face. Now let's add some dimension. Contouring and highlighting may seem intimidating, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Using a matte bronzer 2 shades darker than your skin tone, lightly contour the hollows of your cheeks, temples, and jawline. This will create a subtle shadow, adding depth and definition to your features. Eyes are the windows to the soul, as they say, and they deserve special attention, especially for a night wedding. For a long-lasting and crease-proof look, start by applying an eyeshadow primer to your eyelids. This will create a smooth canvas for your eyeshadow and prevent it from creasing or fading throughout the night. Next, choose eyeshadow shades that complement your outfit and eye color. For a timeless and elegant look, opt for neutral shades like browns, golds, and champagnes. Apply the lightest shade all over your eyelid as a base. Then apply a medium shade to your crease, blending it upwards towards the brow bone for a soft and diffused look. To add depth, apply a darker shade to the outer corner of your eye, blending it inwards along the lash line.